A day after authorities said they're considering bringing forward a deadline for safety certification for personal mobility devices, PMD sellers tell us they're concerned this could lead to issues like illegal modification.
The original deadline was the end of next year. Elizabeth Neo tells us more.
There are over 85,000 registered personal mobility devices in Singapore, but a bulk of them are still not UL 2272 compliant, such as this one owned by Muhammad Nakir. He's a delivery rider who purchased his device just months ago.
Obviously, we are worried because this e-scooter is where we find our Red Bull for our daily usage. Then if they expedite the length of development about this e-scooter, then what can we do? Then because this thing is cheap, never mind. Because we buy, then end up at one side, we all suffer.
The majority of them are still riding non-UL electric scooters. Right. So shortening the deadline for the non-UL to cease will mean that they will need to change to a UL electric scooter sooner than expected. So this will mean adding more cost to them.
We offer trade-in programs for non-UL certified e-scooters to trade into a UL certified version. We do foresee an increase in, let's say, if LTA really happen to pull through with this bring forward of the deadline.
And it may not just be a question of cost and value, but safety.
Those that find that perhaps the battery is not enough or the specifications might be lacking in certain ways, they will still carry out illegal modifications. If anyone is to purchase a UL 2272 certified device and carry out any forms of illegal modifications on the device itself, it will still have a chance to catch fire.
Now, whether your PMDs are UL 2272 compliant or not, retailers say it's never a good idea to overcharge your device or perform extreme modification on the battery packs. Here I've got two battery packs. One is non-UL 2272 compliant, while the other is compliant. Now here you'll notice mandatory gaps in between the battery cells. Now this prevents overheating. This compliant model also comes with temperature sensors that cut off power during charging the moment it gets too hot. The Land Transport Authority's review of the deadline comes after a spate of PMD-related fires, the latest of which gutted this Ang Mo Kio flat earlier this week.